Hello everybody, how are you? I am Zef and your teacher here, and I will be teaching you different questions and their answer. So I welcome you on classtheta.com where we will be discussing question. So let's get on the question. So our today's question is, when using power tools, never engage the Asian looking spring, Asian booster, Asian bait, shank, the Asian tracker lock. Two options before replacing parts such as bits, blades are discussed on any tool. You must A option polish it with the fine steel wool. B option recharge the tool's battery. C option disconnected the power source. D option inspect the for cracks. 3 option most hammer drills well not hammer unit pressure is A option related released from the power charge. B option reached in the hydraulic cylinder. C option detected at the tracker lock. D option applied to the drill bit. 4 option a pneumatic drill is commonly used. A option in areas where noise is a problem. B option to supply comparison air to de-burr pipes. C option when there is no source of electricity. D option for intricate detail work. 5 option never use a circular say that does not have an upper blade guard because the A option trigger look will not work properly. B option say will not cut cleanly. Guard protects you from touching the blade. D option say curve will be too wide. 6 when using circular say be sure the cut on the west side of the cut mark to allow for the blades. A option arbor curve. C option restoration. D option stroke. San option says with fine blades that are excellent for delicate and intricate cutting are called. A option band say saber says. C option abrasive says. D option worm drive says. The correct answer to the question is for the first question is D option trigger lock. For the second question, the correct answer is C option disconnected the power source, as it is important to ensure that the tools is not connected to any problem source when replacing parts like bits, blades or discs. So that the correct answer of the question. If you have any question, tell your comment. I will be answering you as soon as I can. Thank you very much for watching the video. Please do not forget to like, share and subscribe our channel. Until next question, bye bye.